Hello guys, welcome back to Jhex Graphics. Trust you guys are doing great. So in this tutorial, I will show you guys how to create a logo design. Alright, so I will delete this now and I will head to this and click on shapes. So I'll make use of the shape tool to make this logo. So I'll click on shapes and choose the circle shape. So once that is done, I will reduce the opacity to 0 and then I'll increase the stroke to 5. So the next thing I will do is to copy and edit and increase the stroke to 15. So I will use the point at the circle to increase to a certain level. So once I've increased, I will click on relative position and click this and this to make it vertically and horizontally equal. So let me increase this more to give it more spacing, and then I click on this. The next thing I will do now is to make the other design using my maxing tool or the bezier tool. So I'll click on the bezier and then click on this moving tool, and so I will use the pointers to make my design. So now I will click on this icon. So this tool is used to join the bezier tool. So once I click on that, it will join. So after this, I will use the direction tool or the arrows to make the design. So you just move them, move the arrows, say giving direction, so you can get the exact design you want. So once this is achieved, the next thing I will do is to increase the opacity to 100, and then I will make the stroke width, I will reduce it to 0. So at this point, I will also use the relative position to position it at the centers by clicking this both. Alright, so I will head to color now and change this color to black. The next thing I will do now is to copy this and reduce it. So I'll head to relative size and reduce the width. So I will subtract 4 or 6. So I'll subtract 4 and leave it at 26. So I'll head to color and change the color to white. Sorry. So I'll head to relative position now and position it at the centers. So let me reduce this more. So I'll click on relative size and reduce it to 24 and position it at the center. So I will head to the rotate tool and rotate. So I'll leave this at -4 and I will copy again and change the color to black. So I'll head to the relative size and reduce it to 20. Or let's leave it at 18. So once this is done, I'll head to relative position and position it in the center. Then I use the rotate icon to rotate. So the next thing I will do now is to head to position and adjust. So now I will copy also, and head to color and change the color to white. So from here I will also reduce the size to 12, and then I will position it at the center so I can rotate using the rotate tool. So I'll click on rotate and then I rotate this, and then the position to make it place it at the center. So after this is done, I will merge the layers. So I'll bring it down. Below the circle. So the next thing I will do now is to copy this and then change the whole color to white. So I'll place it here and then I will reduce it. So I'll place it at the center of the bigger one, and then I take it in between the big circle and the design. After this is done, I will merge this and this together. And I will head to erase color and erase this one. So I will make the tolerance to be 70. So guys, if you are new to my channel, subscribe and also click on the notification icon or the bell icon so you can get notified whenever I release a new video. Thank you.
From here, I will click on A icon and it puts my initial. So I'll use R, and then I'll increase the size and place it at the center. So once this is done, I'll head to AB and change the font. So I'll use Devil Breeze. So I'll place this at the center. So the next thing I will do is to click on layer and choose the design layer, then head to polygon tool and click on erase color and erase. So I increase the tolerance to 70 also. So from here I will head to color and change the color. So I'll click on to front to move this to the front, and then I'll head to this and change the color also. So I'll choose this color. So I'll click now on the arrow layer and head to the text properties and change it also. So this color. From here I can then merge all the layers. So I click on layers and click on the button below and merge all together. Once merged, I will head to the polygon tool and import my background. So I'll click on relative size and increase this, and I will hold this still and move it to the back of this. So I will lock this for the meantime. Then I'll click on this layer and reduce the size. From here I can type in the name of my business or company. So make sure this is also placed at the center of the circle, and I'll change the color now to this, and the font also to a bold font. So now I'll mark the text layer with the design layer and head to emboss and you follow my numbering. So I'll click on shadow and enable the shadow effect. So I'll reduce this and increase the offsets. So from here you click on this icon to save your image. So you choose ultra and then you save.